Hello, this is Sarah McClure, your luxury travel advisor. Welcome to our Treetop Zipline, river tubing, and blue hole adventure in beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Our day kicked off bright and early around 8 a.m. We hopped on a bus and made our way to the Chukka Island Village Outpost, where we checked in, signed our waivers, and got our wristbands. From there, we boarded an open-air safari truck and headed up into the lush green hills. Now yes, it was rainy and overcast, but let's be real. A rainy day on vacation still beats a sunny day stuck in the office. The entire tour ran for about 5.5 hours, and at the time of this video, the price was about $185 per person. Just make sure you check those posted weight limits before booking, and don't forget to pack your long shorts or pants, closed-toed shoes, water shoes, sunscreen, a swimsuit and towel, bug spray, trust me, you're going to want that one, a credit card or cash, and your sense of adventure. Our first stop was Island Gully Falls, also known as the Blue Hole. This is about a 30-minute drive up through the jungle, and it was gorgeous, even in the rain. We rented a locker for about $10 and stashed our gear. Our guides were amazing and so helpful as we made our way along the slippery trails of the White River. The smaller cliff jumps were the perfect warm-up because, yes, the grand finale is a 20-foot leap into the cool blue water. And just a small trek to the last jump. You'll want to be mindful of engaging with the local merchants selling their wares. And after our final splash, it was time to dry off, sort of, and get ready for the next leg, river tubing. We geared up with helmets and floated down the White River from the Chukka White River Valley location. There were no lockers here, but you can safely leave your belongings on the truck. And heads up, this is definitely when that bug spray comes in handy.
So like the towels and stuff, you just leave them here. So as I said, if you want to put a bag in the front, what you're gonna do, you're gonna look, you're gonna push away, but you're gonna do it lightly. Don't push yourself too hard. Push too hard. Yeah, man. Guys, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Always is.
He said.
There were rope checkpoints across the river to keep everyone together. The tubes have a hard surface bottom, so you don't need to worry about scraping your bottom. You having a good time, Mom? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Yeah. Not so bad in the rain.
Now, this is what we call the grand finale. What you gonna do? Tell your loved ones you love them.
Let's go. You made it.
Some 0.5 rapids.
0.5. Yeah, exactly.
The zipliners may just sail past overhead. And then it's time to exit the river for the third leg of our adventure, ziplining. We had a few minutes to change into our dry clothes and strap on our gear. Some guests chose to switch into sneakers, but we kept our water shoes on because this mud is no joke. After a quick safety briefing, we climbed higher and higher through the canopy. While this wasn't the most intense zipline course I've ever done, the views were still amazing and the staff made it fun, safe, and super memorable. Remember to apply another layer of bug spray. You can see my bites swelling up now. And just like that, our adventure wrapped up with a drive back to Ocho Rios, where we ended the day with a delicious meal at Margaritaville, because every jungle adventure deserves a beachside burger and maybe a margarita, right? When you're ready for your next Jamaica adventure, please reach out. I'd love to assist you with vacation planning services. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fun travel videos.